To troubleshoot Wells Fargo account opening, start by ensuring you have all the required documents and information. This includes a valid government-issued ID, social security number, and proof of address. Verify that your ID and social security number are valid and not expired, as this is a common reason for account opening issues. Next, check that you are using a compatible device and browser to access the Wells Fargo website. Clear your browser cache and try again if you encounter any technical difficulties. If you are still having trouble, try using a different browser or device to rule out any compatibility issues. If you are attempting to open an account online, make sure you have a stable internet connection and that you are filling out the application correctly. Double-check that all fields are completed and that your information is accurate. A single mistake can cause the application to be rejected. Another common issue is with the funding of the new account. Ensure that the funding account is valid and has sufficient funds to cover the initial deposit. Also, be aware that some accounts may have specific funding requirements or restrictions. So review the account terms and conditions carefully. If you have tried all the above steps and are still having trouble, contact Wells Fargo customer service for assistance. They can help you identify the issue and provide guidance on how to resolve it. You can reach them by phone or through the live chat feature on their website. Additionally, be aware of any account-specific requirements, such as minimum balance requirements or eligibility criteria. Review the account terms and conditions carefully to ensure you meet all the requirements. By following these steps and being aware of the common issues, you can troubleshoot Wells Fargo account opening and successfully open your new account. Remember to always review the account terms and conditions carefully and seek assistance if you need it.